This is the Jizu Deal replacement toothbrush head for the Sonicare toothbrush. Here I've got a 10-pack here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So these all have a protective cover like that, which is really nice. So if you want to travel, keep it clean. They all come individually packaged like that as well. You get two different colors. There's like a blue and a green. And here's a close-up look at the bristles there. You can see there's a contour to it, which is really nice. So you can get in between the gaps in your teeth. Feels nice and soft, but firm as well. So it's probably a medium stiffness there. Has the indicator bristles there as well. That will change color when it's time to change. So after about 3 months, we can compare it to the Philips Sonicare head there. You can see what they look like. A little bit of a different design. And then if we put it on the toothbrush head, see it fits perfectly. Feels really nice and soft. So yeah, just make sure you have the toothbrush that is the click on like that, so you can easily just click it in and it'll work perfectly for you. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice toothbrush head, that's going to be a great value. Make sure you check these out.